Hi guys, today we're making a cake from Miss Jones Baking Company. It's organic. What else? It's a vanilla cake mix, the ultimate
vanilla cake mix, and you will need
well, there's honest and simple ingredients: organic cane sugar, organic wheat flour, organic wheat starch, baking powder.
That's awesome.
Vegan, USDA organic, non-GMO verified. The ultimate vanilla cake mix. What bowl I'll be using? I'm gonna use some ripened bananas, and I will use hemp milk, and I'm also probably gonna cut the butter in half because I'm using bananas anyway. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut this. And RJ, can you come pour it in?
Yes.
Pour it. Come pour it. Pour it. Pour. Shake it. Wait. Oh, it's because I was holding it weird. Okay.
Yeah.
So, we got it in.
Jesus.
Okay. So we got it in. Can you go put this in plastic?
Yes.
Now I gotta put this, since we have a small kitchen, gotta work in this little area. What kind of milk are we gonna put in our cake?
We're using the hemp and Pacific Foods plant-based beverage. It's the original.
The original. We do not do dairy in this house. We try not to. Of course, sometimes I want ice cream with regular milk, which I shouldn't do it, but I do it. But for the cake, we're gonna try it with the hemp milk. So let me get that. And the butter. I think all I have is salted. I hope it doesn't taste weird. And also, I wanted to put some coconut protein in the cake. So I still haven't decided how much I'm going to put. It says 2 scoops. So I'm gonna put 2 scoops in the milk, and I'll add the butter. So now RJ's gonna pour half a cup. Do you see the 4 ounces? Stop. Perfect. Now pour that into our bowl. Pour it in slowly.
Ooh, baking powder plus bananas equals milk.
Yep.
Not
Trying to make sure every little drop.
Original hemp milk.
Okay. So now I'm gonna put 2 scoops of organic coconut protein blend.
No.
And this is the big scoop. Okay. Can you grab it? Pour it in. Okay. Here's the other scoop. Pour it in. Thank you, sir. Can you press the button?
Yes.
Instead of butter, we're gonna use coconut oil. So if you can pour half a cup. Baby, you gotta get close and squeeze a little bit. Don't tell me I ran out.
We ran out.
I have more.
Wait, you have more?
Yeah, it's just a different brand, but let me get the other one. Here's the coconut oil I'm gonna use to finish it off. Hold on. Yeah, this one's gonna be harder. Where's half a cup?
Right here.
Okay. We did it.
Hi.
Now, can you pour the coconut oil into the cake mix?
I thought you were using butter, but I knew that's it.
Yeah,
Whoa!
we were gonna put butter, but I didn't have enough butter.
That was the bad news, people.
Yep. I'm gonna miss. I know. I might need to put more, a little more milk. I forgot the bananas were underneath. Yep. I forgot we have bananas under here. Okay, so I'm still mixing. I'm trying to get this off of the edge. I don't know if I have, it smells good like bananas. I'm gonna add vanilla extract. It's organic. I'm gonna put it because I put banana. So, yes, hold the spoon for me. Hold it still, just hold it. Keep holding it. Okay, now pour it in. Okay, let me see again.
Now it's gonna turn into a chocolate.
Okay, pour it in. Great job.
I think it went out.
Okay, here. Go put it by the honey, please. Now I'm gonna mix again, and I did add more milk earlier. Yep. Chocolate vanilla. I need to grease my pan. Okay, so now I'm gonna grease my pan with some butter.
It's awesome.
Go around.
I think I should try this.
Are your hands clean?
I gotta wash my hands.
Go wash your hands. Okay, so greasing it. Just go all around. All around. I'm trying not to get all my fingers dirty. Okay. Then I will be using coconut flour to cover the butter so my cake will just pop right out. Okay, so I'm all about organic stuff. Like, if you don't know me, you know now. This is Topwell organic coconut flour. It's gluten and dairy free. What else does it say over here? Hey.
It says certified organic, non-GMO, no
What?
additives.
Oh, no additives.
No additives, gluten free, sulfur free,
Sulfur free.
sulfur free, rich in protein, high in fiber, wheat flour substitute.
A wheat flour substitute. Okay, so what we're doing with this.
Substitute.
Yes, good job.
New word. That's
Yep.
substitutes. Can I do this?
Hold on, I can't even open it. No.
No, what's wrong?
Okay. So,
Can I try this?
can you hold the pan where the people can see? Hold it. Come close. Come close. Don't be scared. I'm gonna spoonful and try to shake it around in here. Okay, I might get 2 spoonfuls. 2 spoonfuls.
It's like flour.
It is flour. It's coconut flour.
It's coconut flour. I didn't know how we had flour.
And then I'm just gonna shake it around like this. You see how it's covering it,
Just
RJ?
don't make the flour fall. I saw.
You see flour falling?
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna have it go around the pan. I don't know if people can
Are
see.
you a crazy chef?
A crazy chef. Yep, I'm a crazy chef.
I sure did.
Uh-oh. These little flour balls.
No!
I can
You're getting
clean the floor. You're so worried about the floor and it's not even done.
stuff on your
We're still under construction.
Yes, under
Okay.
chef.
So now it's all floured. So I'll dump the excess. Can you hold it?
Yes.
Hold it
I thought you were gonna hold it.
like
I
that.
thought you were the one who's gonna hold
No, I'm gonna pour. Are you gonna be able to handle it if I pour some cake mix in there?
it. I'm not doing it.
He said he's not gonna handle it. They said he can handle it. I'm gonna pour it. What are you scared of, baby? Pour it. I mean, hold it.
Scared of like you're gonna
Hold it, hold it, hold
No.
it. Okay.
Why does it look like cheese? Why does it look like
Okay, so I poured it halfway. Now, since I did 1 pan of cake mix, now I'm gonna use the parchment paper to do cupcakes for the rest of my cake mix. So, we'll need to.
I'll open it for you.
Ooh, they're so organic.
Wait, these?
I've never used these before. Okay,
Me too.
so put 1 in one of those. Here's another one.
1, 2,
Oh, I kind of always like to have them doubled up.
1, 2, 3,
Here's another one.
4, 5.
6. I don't know if we're gonna be able to make 6 cupcakes with the last of the cake mix, but I will try.
Alright guys, so Mommy's already putting the banana sauce.
It's not banana sauce. It's Miss Jones. Wait, yeah, Mrs. Jones cake mix.
Yes, Mrs. Jones cake mix.
But I'm trying to see if we have enough for 6 cupcakes.
I know. Whoa, it looks like a crazy looking cupcake.
So I've
size.
done 5 so far. This will be the last one. And my assistant RJ is doing awesome.
I'm not an assistant. I mean, I am.
He keeps saying I'm the assistant. I guess I'm the assistant.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean,
So there we go. I filled all of them. But you also got to rub the butter on the sides.
Scared.
Look.
Oh.
You got to go all the way around so your cupcake doesn't stick. Okay, now do this one.
I have butter. I wish I ate butter.
Did you do the bottom?
So creamy.
So creamy.
Did someone give me?
Keep rubbing. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Minutes did you set it on?
I'm 15.
So we got them in the oven. Cupcakes on top. The cake kind of went really far back, so I need to pull that forward. But the cupcakes, I'm thinking 15 minutes, and the cake, they said 22. So we'll be back. Ones I did with poppy seeds. Let's see if it's ready. Yep, came out clean. That one's not ready. Crap.
Ooh, good shape.
Let me see. That's ready. That's ready. 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 It's just this little baby right here.
It's not ready.
This one's done.
Look at this.
Oh crap. I'm gonna have to let go.
It burned the whole thing.
It didn't burn it, baby. It cooked the bottom.
It cooked the bottom? That's that. Don't cook.
Okay, so I'm trying to move this one over here, and I'm gonna put this one, guys. The cake is done. Let's see how easy it pops out of here. Ah, I should have put the plate on top. I don't know what I was thinking. Let's see. Look at that. When you put flour and butter, it's amazing. So pretty. So now I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator so it can cool down before I ice it, because that's what I always do when I make cakes or cupcakes, like right now. Okay, so what I was saying is I always put my cake or cupcakes in the refrigerator to cool them down, and also give them a shock all of a sudden when you get them out the oven. And so basically, so you can ice them without the icing melting like crazy. So I'll show you guys that next. Right now, just put it in the refrigerator. Okay, so the cake I put in the freezer. The cupcakes, they're in the refrigerator. I'm gonna get the icing and I'll show you guys the icing. It's Mrs. Jones Baking Company once again. The ingredients are honest and simple. It has powdered sugar, can you see? Organic palm fruit oil, organic coconut oil, organic tapioca, sea salt, and natural vanilla flavor. And it is vegan, USDA organic. So I think that's pretty awesome. I've never tried this brand, so today's my first time, and yeah, we'll see what happens. But so far everything smells good, it looks good. We're just waiting on everything. So now I'm gonna use the icing. The flavor is vanilla. Ow. And it has the foil like all icings. Ooh. Tastes good. It looks really soft, but I know it said if you just want to warm it up, you can play with it and mix it up. But I feel it's pretty light, so okay, so we're gonna do a cupcake for my mother. And I know I got this big old knife. Normally I would try to use a piping bag and everything, but it's not anybody's birthday. And I bought this mix a few weeks ago. So, RJ, can you give this to Grandma? I could take it out of here so she doesn't have to deal with it. I don't know why I didn't do that in the first place. Where are you? Can you give this to Grandma? And I'll do my my poppy seed. I wanted to mix lemon with it, but I didn't. I should have. Yeah, I probably should have mixed it up so it could go on smoother. Okay. I'm gonna try the poppy seed one. Let's see what it tastes like. It's good. It's moist, it's heavy because I put banana, but it's good. Okay, so I am officially done. I just cut the cake in half and stacked it to make it a double, but it's really good. I feel it's sweet. I don't know if it's so much the icing and mixture of the cake, since I did the cake with bananas. But next time I'll try to do this cake with eggs. I was just doing it because my son is allergic to egg, and we're trying to go without eggs, so we wanted to see what it would taste like. But next time I'll do it with eggs and see what it tastes like. Thank you guys for watching. Are you gonna come over here? As always,
thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Bye. See you later.